Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to share a post link on Facebook on your PC with the new update. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Facebook account on your PC. Once you're logged in, navigate to the post that you want to share with your friends or followers. Next, you'll see a share button located at the bottom or top of the post, depending on where it is on your feed. Click on the share button to bring up a menu of options. Now, you can choose the method you want to share the post link. You can share it via Messenger, WhatsApp, or even add it to your own story. Simply select the option that best suits how you want to share the post link. And that's it. You've successfully shared a post link on Facebook on your PC with the new update. It's quick, easy, and a great way to keep your friends in the loop with what you're up to. Thanks for watching. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. See you next time.